Should have used a WaveBrake. Hi folks, Ken from Chandler, and welcome to another episode of We Can Help With That. Today we're going to demonstrate the difference between the Rubbermaid WaveBrake and your standard bucket. With features that surpass traditional mopping buckets, the new generation of WaveBrake helps to clean floors with less effort to get the job done safer, without sacrificing quality and durability. The patented WaveBrake baffles result in less splashing while mopping and maneuvering, helping to create a safer environment for patrons and staff. Additionally, the water stays in the bucket, eliminating unnecessary trips to the storage closet to fill the bucket up, enhancing productivity. Molded in WaveBrake baffles disrupt wave formation, reducing splash up to 80% versus leading competitors. There you have it. The new WaveBrake can help you clean more efficiently. I'm Ken for Chandler, and again, that's how we can help with that. Thanks for tuning in.